Hi there! Join me to cook raw papaya in gravy. This spicy curry has all the health benefits of papaya and turns out to be delicious. You'll be able to make it effortlessly yourself. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. Remember to wash your hands and stay safe. So to make the curry, you'll obviously need a raw papaya. I'll just show you quickly how to cut it. Wash it thoroughly and peel off the skin. There, that's all peeled. Get rid of the peel. Slice it into half at first. Get rid of the seeds. Trim the ends and cut into thin long pieces. Peel the skin from the inside that had the seeds. Once they are all clean from the inside, just cut them up into small cubes. Similarly, chop up one large potato into cubes. 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, jeera, about 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, haldi, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Add in a bit of water to make a thick paste and keep it aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. You could use any other oil you like. This is a Bengali recipe and I am cooking it in mustard oil. Some cumin seeds, about 1/2 teaspoon. Piece of cinnamon. You could also add in a bay leaf. I'll skip that. Add in the potatoes. Cook for half a minute. Add in the papaya. Cook it for a minute. Have you subscribed to my channel already? Add in 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. Give it a mix. Add in a teaspoon of grated ginger or ginger paste. Cook till the raw smell goes away. Add in the spice mixture. A handful of frozen peas or fresh peas. Fresh tomato paste. Mix it in. Bring it to a boil. Season with salt and a bit of sugar. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section. Cook till the oil starts separating all over. That's after 2 to 3 minutes. Add in more water for the gravy. Add as much as you want. Check the seasoning. Add in some green chilies, whole or slit, according to taste. Bring it to a boil. Cover and cook till the vegetables are done. Now that has been cooking for about 5 minutes now. That looks lovely. That's perfectly cooked. I'll just turn off the heat. Finish it off with some ghee on top. This is optional, but always adds a extra flavor. Serve it hot with steamed rice, paratha or roti and enjoy.